The 2023 Nissan Ariya represents a striking confluence of design, innovation, and sustainability, marking a significant evolution in Nissan's electric vehicle lineup. Its exterior design immediately captures attention, featuring sleek contours, bold aesthetics, and a modern appeal that effortlessly blends into the futuristic vehicle panorama. Beyond aesthetics, this design mirrors Nissan's forward-thinking mindset, positioning the Ariya as not just a car for today, but a beacon of what the future holds in automotive design. From a performance standpoint, the Ariya is no slouch. It offers two distinctive battery options, a 63 kilowatt-hour variant for those who prioritize efficiency, and an 87 kilowatt-hour version for those seeking extended range. This flexibility allows users to tailor their Ariya to specific needs, be it daily commuting or longer journeys. Complementing this power setup is the e-4FORCE all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal torque distribution and stellar cornering capabilities, making drives not just efficient, but exhilarating. Safety and autonomous features are where the Ariya truly shines. The ProPilot Assist 2.0 system, representing Nissan's stride toward autonomous driving, is embedded with a suite of functionalities. This encompasses adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and certain semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Such features not only enhance driving comfort, but also significantly boost safety, offering a more controlled and predictable driving environment. Step inside, and the Ariya greets occupants with a luxurious minimalist interior, accentuating space, comfort, and technology. High-quality materials furnish the cabin, exuding a premium feel. At the forefront is a dual-screen dashboard that marries infotainment and vehicle settings, ushering drivers into an intuitive and digitalized driving experience. This is further augmented by the Nissan Intelligent Personal Assistant, an AI-driven voice control system that ensures real-time responses and personalization for the driver, offering a seamless blend of man and machine. Among its many innovations, the e-pedal system deserves special mention. This unique system allows drivers to start, accelerate, decelerate, and stop using only the accelerator pedal. By enhancing regenerative braking through this system, the Ariya optimizes battery life, ensuring a balance of performance and energy conservation. This feature, while simplifying the driving process, signifies Nissan's commitment to intuitive vehicular solutions. Ariya exemplifies Nissan's vision for electric mobility, combining design, performance, and cutting-edge technology. As an embodiment of Nissan's dedication to a sustainable future and the advancing realm of electric vehicles, the Ariya is undeniably a trailblazer, setting benchmarks for what electric SUVs should aspire to be. Beyond its stellar technical attributes, the Ariya boasts seamless integration capabilities with smart home systems, reinforcing the notion of a connected lifestyle in today's digital age. This feature allows users to not only manage vehicle functions from their homes, such as battery status checks or initiating a charge, but also integrate the vehicle into a broader ecosystem of connected devices. This symbiotic relationship between home and vehicle technologies emphasizes the Ariya's role beyond transportation, bridging the gap between mobility and daily life. Lastly, the Nissan Ariya's dedication to environmental consciousness deserves applause. Its zero-emission powertrain is a clear nod to a greener future, but the effort doesn't stop there. The use of recycled materials within its luxurious cabin and the vehicle's capability for bidirectional charging, acting as a potential energy source for homes or the grid, underline Nissan's holistic approach to sustainability. It's clear that with the Ariya, Nissan isn't just shaping the future of mobility, they're actively sculpting a more sustainable and integrated world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.